When he January ni somni patni sang ni somni pathum mania to na hian Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology NIT Bopalang anom meka India International Science Festival Mega Expo Science and Technology Expo kanom meka ni dai muni kanan fang kwal ve langa hei hi main entrance ania lo lu na emaila chuan lampanga hianin hei inen tir na phur bus ania chu ka soi thiam dan ta hianin eng emo health check te pon tin ki sia kit an phur kola hei mi chung hemi hall pahnih chunga hianin a export tak tak kha chu ama chuan hela hi kan lu tang hei hi space on wheels tinia bus chunga ISRO Indian Space Research Organization in engen yan malak na te he bus chunga hian an da heti hianin mun sang sanga basin phurkola amuna engen ni an archive te museum te le an office te khatiang muve thei local thei lo zilai no pangle public tan ti hen en thei tunin an chop chok thina thakop mai tuna hian a chunga kan lut don ani a bus chung khania evolution of Indian launch vehicles sang India na lo ti to te helama hianin an la ti eng lo nge moni thim deuh thupa khami space technology lama India malak na sang ho kha hian an lo tar lang ani tian tai chon va en hi ni deuh mai a amaro chu hriat na ti pung tu tan chon a thakop mai remote sensing application lampang te uma resource satellite leilama information on petrin tiang ho te hin ni boka chuan helama hen TV oma ingma chhok ri lawa Chandrayaan 2 navigation satellite hei hi Indian remote sensing satellite ina ramdang then khat a hmu dan an tar langa hei Washington te ta hian Vatican City hnuai hian Doha Dubai Palm Island a fia thakop mai remote sensing satellite thawina hmu dan ten tar langa ta hian Mangalyaan Indian Mars Orbiter Mission hay Chandrayaan zong hian fe zoke kha hatlang puyan iya chuan kan chu ka nga hei ta hen Mega Expo ti tan no tara enge tu tenge in pho eng technology tenge non ken ti de kha kan en do na ni này ta hianin banner moi tak tak lo oma India International Science Festival 2022 hei hian soi fia lo kila IISF tiak an lam toy mai thin India International Science Festival hi kumtin ne ni thina sang ni som paruk vela tang khan ti chuan sang ni som ni pahni a khan a calendar year chunga khan hei hi kan nei man lawa amaro chu sarkar kum financial year chunga chon ala tlathawa hei hi chan ni lang chu hei heta chunga kan hmong hianin G20 India ina thlen kumania hemi India ina thlen lai hianin he event a hi ti telan du wang ni berina langa chu wang chuan nge hnoi point om thawa 21 2 3 4 21st to 24th January ni somni pakhat atanga ni li NIT campus Bopala ne nia chu aming le akum inan lo chan kha ni chuang kan hlu mai he ta hianin banner dang alo om le boka graphic designing hi an thiam khop mai anal thin khop mai heng tei hei nal tak ani tuna hall chunga kan lut sinanga enge an thlir don ani alian thadung dung khop mai a hall hi lian tak ani a hei ti hian helama hen organizer te noma help desk te noma hen duty ho in briefing an lo ne a heranga hei tian langrui mai ni puitak ani puitak ta yan in DRDO ho in Defense Research and Development Organization Ministry of Defense no yaman niya chemical agent detector fixed chemical agent detector ada yan water poison detector kit tuya tur laom thil laom om nge om lo en na te ania chemical la om nge om lo hei an thuam pakhat ania heng hi multi insect repellent taksan in chula ram noya te angokara te kalangai thina wangin enge ni ran nung thosi le thil dang inan bom lo na turin in chul thin yom tak ani ni anti covid drug iten ya structural fire fighting suit kang thelna thomno dress ni thakop mai sira hen an malak na sang sangai tara he kanen vek man lawanga ai hi bulletproof jacket ania thakop mai submarine channelized receiver so if you have action pon de lo turu ko mai Sarangs East SM model an helicopter tha level model anon kengani atak tak ron hun so na John space on big lo wa hi missile air to air missile akas tite a sample aron kengani a hunom hlom khop mai chuanin kan thang lam panga hianin Department of Biotechnology Government of India nuaya institution sang in until an research tite an maso na te an pholanga
There are some games.
Okay.
There are some games you can take the photos of.
Okay. Alignment game. Australia. Human migration. What are these?
So this is a human migration game.
Okay.
As we know that the playground of human evolution starts from Africa. So
Okay.
it is showing that the evolution of human species started from Africa and run through all over the world.
Okay.
So it is showing, and here are the placards. You have to place them where you find them. They are located. Okay. Then I will tell you the interesting fact about them. Means the inference of this game.
Okay.
So do you want to play this game?
Just wait for a second. Hey, Mishing history. Kan chuina Africa ramatanga tengeni humanity hi internet ngaya kami me paka haitian the main ron display a game khel theya nakina kan khelang heng hi
So this game is infectious disease game.
Infected. Okay.
So there are the 4 pathogens over there, and the infected organ which they will infect. Like it is SCV, then it will be affecting the liver.
Okay. Okay.
And if we made the connection right, then it will blink. And if wrong, not, then it will not blink. Then only the right connection will blink the lights.
Okay. Hey. Nat na. Kindan in kai chon. Take the chicken here. Let me hit. Kan vuo chuan. Adik zo na kan vuo chuan na ron eng a. Adik lo zo na kan vuo chuan eng thei lo a. Om je chu chuan COVID kan ti chinang. He ta mi hi COVID tri kan ya. Logo. Kai kan ti chuan hei eng thei lo wa COVID trikin khoi lai nge mi singa angong ti thian na tu chuan. Then thok na do ta kan vuo khan na ron eng ta ni. Chakhom mai hem information hi. Hian yeah. And what is this?
So this is
TB.
Yeah, no, yeah. So mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Oh, TB à về thung chôn hay thì khai cán vốn rồi hắn anh về lại đón ta này trong cái có information chắc tất cả này. Okay, I'll be back later. Thank you. Very interesting. Good night. Cái nôm rây ạ. Mũ nằm phiên bốc xe. Tiền khan hay ăn mà lạc nó sang hiện lâu ta là ngay hi National Institute of Plant Genome Research tên này hàng hậu hi hay genetically modified GM plants kan ti hậu khan này tissue culture le agro infiltration anh tin nghe khai te hi an khoi dang lam thin anom na tura zir ten enge ne anom na tur climate aina ma mo zir te khan an lo khoi dang lam thina chuan ti dan vel chu ne draft tolerant ten tia khai amu nom rum kop mai he chuan banga hianin an malak na sang mu to rom boka National Center for Cell Science ve thung ania this is
HeLa cell, right? And this one is intestine, large intestine.
Reel them. What is this?
Staining.
Okay.
This section has taken and has been stained.
This is a sample of human or?
That has not mentioned over here actually. This are ready-made slides.
Okay.
So it's like that.
Histopathological sample.
Okay.
Also section is there. You can see all the
And this one is?
And this one is a HeLa cell line. It's a continuous cell line. Carcinogenic cell line. It's derived in 1951.
Okay.
Lady, she has a cervical cancer.
Thank you. Dahil ani pun til sang ano tara.
These are bacterial cultures.
Microbial fingerprint.
All these are bacteria. Sticking like that.
Cyanobacteria. Các shit lâu lắm anh ạ. Hẳn thị vắc hay là bộ có sai lâu nè. Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics. DNA fingerprinting. Itu về thung te, anh hiểu mấy? Animal Biotechnology. Nhưng mà Department of Biotechnology nói với kami khan ya hay. Store hin ngạ ko ba. International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology. genetic engineering. Stem cell science and regenerative medicine. Biology, biotechnology lam pang hicho kasalo lu to ka ke ma hianin han comment vak mai na poi kasalo wa narau pui tak tak research turu tak tak an tia. Hianin Biotechnology Research and Innovation Council BRICTI anneya India ram puma anom to na hau state sang sanga hian anom de uveka northeast a hian IBSD Imphal anneya Mizoram hi me pala lang ve chelo IBSD hi hetami hi kan zoom nga laboratory tero te nei chon anom ve amaro chu ala lian chang thung to lowa Imphal hnuai hian kai roina hnuai na nom deuh nin ka hria hei hi biotechnology research ti tu state chang chang a in sem da na nia ma mo na lian ve hle ni kan rama brain research lambe thung ania hei hi institution hi lo tam khop mai Bishing thuak zir chiang tu te ve thung an ne
You want to talk to the lady?
yeah this is what like it's doing something
It's not doing anything right now.
Okay.
It's an EEG machine.
sorry
So it's an EEG machine. It's an
okay
EEG machine.
okay
Electroencephalogram.
I see
Encephalo means brain. Uska gram, measurement of something, an electric.
It's like ECG for your brain.
oh ECG for the brain I got it
So
and this one
it's a portable one. This takes a long time to set up.
Alright.
So we have a live demonstration.
okay
So this is a portable one. You can
I got it.
also transfer
Oh,
current.
yeah.
You can see your brain waves live.
Nice. Hey, Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology. Dinia. IBSD Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development. It's in IBSD kan soi kani. Ani hian angen ti. Komma. Some.
It's from Mizoram.
Yeah, from Mizoram. I'm from Mizoram. So some engineering has been done, or
No, we are looking for the medicinal property.
okay, the medicinal property.
We are
Oh,
taking the medicinal property.
okay.
This is also from Mizoram.
Sachain chi. This is also from Mizoram.
Yeah, this is
Mizoram ami lo tam hle mai hey.
even this one is also.
Yeah. Kom ma te sachain chi te dol re te leng ser te thak thing. Hey, Mizoram atangin leng ser. An lo la na sal he mai heng ho hi. They are displayed here because of their medicinal properties, right?
Yes.
Okay. Dam doi tra. An ni wanga heta display hin lo ni. So any byproduct from this one so far?
No, we didn't prepare the byproduct.
Huh.
Actually, we are validating, like people are using for the anti-aging effect.
Okay.
Okay?
Anti-aging.
Anti-aging. We are validating in our lab.
Uh-huh.
We are checking which compound is responsible for that activity.
Okay.
Okay? Even this one, the seed contains the seed contains omega-3 fatty acids.
Omega-3 fatty.
It's very good in the cardiac diseases. And in the colocasia, people using the asthma. Colocasia, people, if they have asthma, they use, I think,
Asthma.
Asthma, yeah.
Oh, chung chu dam doi tra. Heng te hi anti-aging. Ingin ni fun chuar tur tar harna ding chu. Heng te hi dol rep te hi asthma ta na tra ti te kha lepan lo zira ni. Interesting. Angai nom hle mai. And this particular one, leng sir.
From Imphal. This is
Imphal.
From Imphal. Known as the Lomba.
But it's written from Mizoram, right? Leng sir. Again, it's from Mizoram.
No, it's from actually, where is Mizoram?
yeah. Fine, fine.
People know maybe the different name in the Mizoram.
Okay. This is known for what? The medicine.
Respiratory disease.
Respiratory. Thok na dot chaloutan.
People used to make chutney and they boil and drink it.
Okay.
If they have some cough and cold.
Chuan, this one. Thakting
This is
cinnamon.
This is cinnamon.
Good for?
Cinnamon is like antimicrobial activity.
Okay.
Even to reduce the cholesterol level.
Reduce.
Yeah.
Taksa thao chia. And like for that purpose, how shall we consume it? In the form of boiling or something? Boiling and drink the water. Okay. Ang ai nom lai mai he tilai hian ngai kan lo nei kan lo mu fo thin Mizoram ma po khang ho kha ti hian nge ni dam doi ta na thana ten lo zir chianga inghan an lo tiang ai nom khom mai. Very interesting. Thank you. And the Center for Biotechnology. COVID mutation analysis. COVID na shik bom dan chang je chen na coronavirus lem. Telo ma. Chuan Institute of Life Sciences. Kim hi zot lek lo mai la. Hey. A hu nom hlom ani. Cho nên anh không cần huang hay nên hall bum bui mấy AC nên xem chuộc với cả hao tắc thầm tắc anh innovative and applied bioprocessing. Hết ta bôi nên thiệt interesting đâu mấy ông ạ. Hết ta mi tới hi cần huang hay nên a tour hi à chém ha em mà à rồi á cho bằng chân khát tiếng ăn kha anh nghe này code na tour à code tuam na tour anh xem chuộc cả thil dang chemical ha om po ni chong lova chu tiang atangan siam chu chu nia he tiang ngan ti hian apple te hi ni som thum borvel da vo po ngai lovin a that the ani a kor an tuam edible coating an tiang kha nia chu tiang vel chu ni chon hei thil sang an wani nan siam chu an research atangan ti chu ho kha nia chuan kha biotechnology ho Department of Biotechnology Hnuai Research Center sang ho malak na kha ni ya hei an stall ho kha ni apui mi khop mai hei hunom takani hianin Gujarat ano om velet hunga Gujarat hi Science and Technology a chuan India rama chuan state te zinga a mason berle inge ni changkang berte potila solom love ti hian an malak na te hi dor chung khian an lo ta lang ve an lu vek to lo mai ang chuan emi te hi CSIR Advanced Materials and Processes Research Institute tinia hi interesting khop maya helam pang kan kalma hian helam pang hi kan kalma support anga until siam ho hi kan endon ani heng ho hi boat thil chia kan ti tanga an siam ani hei heting te rang wang chi deuh te kha ni a chuanin hybrid composite hei hetiang chi mo plywood plyboard kan tiang chi kha tiang aya man thei thil tha tam tak kha an siam choka heng ho zong po hi ni chuan interesting deuh chu om ta a endiran heng te kan enang heng hi nai duga pe do pedistro composite ante hei anda na do kan po hi ni i bu pol kan hal kan pai mai thina kha an nem mu ka thil dang nen ti hian bot tha deuh mai anon siama te tiang te hian hang tang kai thei tai la Mizoram a karil ruwa chuan kuang siam nan te hian thang o ka tia e kuang siam nei kan he khop me thing zai kan hang to me ulova board diura taf te kan hanga hau tak em a te tiang chi pedistro composite an tiang chi te hi a tha em ani chu hei thil chi sang an siam heng hi kan thriat thiam dan tur chuanin e kan du to lo tianga nom nok kan ti kan pai thin ho kha ani deuh tlang puya ti hian an ni chon tangkai taka aron chuani khu da hona bot lai te po kan hu khumo khu pedistro bu po la tangan siam khan lo ni ta ni that tak ani hian in sak nan ten manga dada bamboo boat hai excuse me bamboo boat hai bamboo next okay mau kan zota dor le la mau mate kan kal le chinang khungi au mi lo min ko mu ve ringo ta chuan hi interesting ta ni tiếng si cell anh nghe mình dâu trong cán bộ cái thiểm chế là wa khát tiếng trăng khan a fiber a sweet trà khá ăn là chua cái tiền này a khô là hiện ra nè chuan a lâu chua cái chú he tầm miệng hi nị ta nè hiện sweet nang ăn chi đâu à cái tiền mấy đôn nghe chuan a kal zela hay bùa ra cái tiếng chi bag xiêm nan tên mang á a trăng cái khúc mày दादा ये अभी डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट कर सकता है क्या चलेगा दिखाओ मुझे हाँ कनेक्शन नहीं है अच्छा कब होगा बाद में ओके ओके थैंक यू ती छिन कन तुमा लो ही अखोल ही अनुंग थे लो देवा त्या ही ठखोब मई हे तियang ang hi a chin nan hianin mun tha te vak po angai lem lo wa mun chia te po ati thei mai a chu ti hianin thil tangkai taka a siam theya hei tunla ya chuan polythene te kan lo khap to a khatiang ang thak nan khana thadon khom mai bag mo thil khai na tur siam nan te o tuna hen ka ti tir chin don ani hei hi a thunanga ting e lo chaw kan nen chinang alo thei reng sin nung ta but mai hei ten a thun lo ta van chave ऐसा है अच्छा दिखा ना वो थुन लो ta re lo te ti hianin a kor apil ho kha a kor hian a met thave ka te kon oh ne ron chok ta ni thank you avan thave hei ei zona tling tur ani he tiang hi mun chia hei ram chia kan tiang ta poina a tha thei do na khatiang kha a khol la hi hei a ol sam te nia hei tian an tirawanga du chuan bek khai tur te ip te bek moi nai deuh ta nan te po man thei vek do na eco friendly leilung te chelo chi ni box ya chuwang chuan a tha don khup mai hei hi tangkai don tu kan ni ole dona hian exhibition stall danga kan kal dona helai lo lang masaber hi Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR yelam toy kan soithin khania hemi te hi India rama chuan technology engani develop tu lian ber te jinga mian nia state sanga an oma until khoi ai nang lawa thenin chemical lam pangan khoya a thenin water and environment lam pangan khoya a thenin composite materials electronics khatiang khan thil thang sang an khoya north east a chuan jorhata asama aum vea North East Institute of Science and Technology NEIS tin kan thria engen lo pho cho kanen don ni hei hi drone ania alien thakop maya a diameter hi fit sari fit viet ton nenga te kolin yang hian lei tha te nei dam doi ran nung thana hlo ti te an phura boma kon chu an tho puya thil khai chin na hmuna ten tho ti ra ku ta kon a phu thina ni a man dan chen khat an da so ta me so han ti lang chiang tai la so ten son thil thei hai chin na hmun ah ten thlo kol tira tui pek nan te dam doi phu nan te lei tha pek nan te an mang thin ani a tha khom mai mi hi a pei lo thi a thil phut thei zat hi ke ji som thei vel ni CSIR ho an stall a changkang khop mai an launch thadeu men lo siama chuan ta hian agriculture le food lampang anen chinang thil sil na te kati rim tui na te eng nge he tam mai lau tur an ti mai do me zo tong chuan chu tiang chi te thil thang thang oma heng hi an ti dan tlang puya chuan an ni hian laboratory a en chin na an neya eng tiang in nge sia mila tha ang enge polila tha ang chu chu enga ta na man chi nge ti rei tak research an ti to nuwa an thil zir chua kha ataka anan chantir ta chu chu an mani hi chu sarkar hnuaya institute an ni wangin an sumdong ngalngot thei big lawa khamian technology thalian thil siam cho ho kha company hena an salta a technology kha chu company hoin anon tipunga bazar sal turen anon siam ta thin ani tuna kan mu hi a model ania hi mawatanga siam ani a board hei a material jong jong hi in an sa ta hian a model pakhat an lo tara enge ni a thing zai kan ti de a thing phek kan ti ang chi jong jong hi mau hanga tanga siam ania hi a tak tak mu tur te pom to a hetiang hi an mani a scientist an soidan chuan a bamboo boat siam ringot a kha ni lowa khami a mau phek an han siam kha an thua an ko ta chemical mangin chu an soidan chuan kum som nga vel chu dai turin an ngai ani kha a material khan a thakom mai he construction material ta na man ania thil sang oma vision enhancement system hey nge ni fok chum jing kara khomu ti fia thei thil ti te hianin nge ni coal analysis lab lungal thei en fiana pur kwal thei te wireless sprinkler system tui pek na yang chumo wire ngai lo sir, these are meant for agricultural fields, right?
Yeah,
this is a sprinkler system, right?
Yeah.
These are meant for agricultural fields.
No. This is mainly for mining.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Mining lam kai noi vek ani.
Coal extraction.
Oh.
All devices are here.
Lungal thei ti vel. Okay, I see. And this is the model for
This is the model for Twin Tower. Demolition means that has been demolished.
okay, Twin Tower.
We have contributed in fixing the blast.
Oh, it's in Noida, right?
Yeah.
Noida anti Chiataka.
Yeah.
This is the model.
Yeah.
Okay. Any adverse effect for that blasting?
Excuse me?
Have you heard any adverse effect of that blasting to the surroundings environment? No. Like
Only that is the debris.
okay.
That can be used for road filling, etc.
Okay. I see.
And all the building has demolished within this fraction of seconds. 9.5 seconds.
Hi kong siam dan hinge kaninang all steel slack rod steel noi ang chi kha ani ome heng kong siam nan mga tan le sang subgrade GSB WMM DBM layer ite engin chem he kong model na tak ano siam ni environment ta hianin engen lo nei ve thung tui ti thiang nim na ti vel ne
पेट्रोल बनाते सॉरी डीजल बनाते और तीसरा हम यूज़ किया तो वहाँ पे
hi plastic le polythene ti vel atanga diesel an siam chua ani khop mai are they in practical use today?
yes
Yes, in vehicles.
no not commercially available outside. It is tested in our facilities.
Okay. Not commercially available.
The plant is commercially available.
I mean the product. This one, the diesel.
Products are not sold outside.
Okay, okay,
These are tested
Okay.
by IAC
okay.
for internal utilization.
For internal use. Okay. So, what is the way forward? I mean, do you look forward to using it in automobiles and?
Yes. For commercial utilization, we can provide you 1 to 20 TPD capacity plants.
Okay.
You can contact.
So TDB tons per day.
Yes.
It's 20 tons of waste per day.
Yes.
Process in this and then convert into some biofuel.
Yes.
Okay, okay, I got it. But it would be a huge project, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Those who are interested, they can approach IAP.
Ah,
IAP will provide you the details.
can I get some card so that I get to know more about this and maybe in the future connect with you? Achakot mai he an mani kempasan man to ni ya. Kami plastic waste vel tang kan diesel siama. Ni aplen a simple ten lo dama ro chu alien lang lo wa. Biojet fuel hi he ta po hi. Lo tam mai. CSIR IIB, Indian Institute of Petroleum. This is your culture? Oh, Anjan way. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Khang hau kha CSIR lab hau ina an thil ron pho cho then ka chunia ela hi drone siam tu te drone siam tu te mela khami ven an pho cho na kha nia an man hi lan chain an local show ka ni ome Putin ka kinga camera hi chu wang chuan ai hin nom lo do mai thei che deu mai thei Tuna hianin Bramos defense lampang kanin ve thungang Pui lom khop mai ta hena le man lo tara sea to sea land to sea man na sang choi ta hena lan mai hi chuan a model ta hena lo pho choka missile điểm chi tế long đâu tế như hí lên surface cho chi về tung à DRDO ho Defense Research Organization ho Philippines ni stall dang hi kan kal langa heta hianin ISRO Indian Space Research Organization ho anni chu van thengreng lama tanga chachi satellite sang kan kap choka India hianin chung satellite te chuanin kan khovel tha hi an la renga hai dai te po hian navigation system an himo khami satellite ten tha an la ka kha le an on thon let le a chu tu na GPS kan ti te thil sang kan man Google Map kan ti te hetiang ang advance ang atang leilam thlir na kan nei theidan kha nia ti khan ram sang sangin an mani system kha a sang sang an neya he India point satellite enge mozat kan da chho ve to a chung chuan kan lei hi an vil renga hei tangkai emema heta hian am han na then khat geospatial technology man na then khat an lo tar langa antinan forest cover te hi lo ni ta ni tun hai kumsom hi chungin ram ngo engzang kan ti chiat ti te kang me engzang nge chuak ti te o ti khan lui luan dan a chim chin water resource management tan te yang kan he mi geospatial technology an ti satellite ina thala ka tanga enge ni khovel chungchang zio na hi tangkai takin kan manga nge tuna phei chuan hi mi tel lo hianin mason na hna hi an thok to mang lawani chuan weather forecasting omboka khochin thirlok na kan chevel pauruak omdan in lumle dana zirte atangin ro sur dan turte lumle vote amar chu weather forecast chu soyang kan forecast rin dan lo thirlok na nia a dikvek thelo amaro chu asol tuk lo tang pui to ni tu nang lai chon technology that to wangin sang hen phalak to na ten lo tara ei remote sensing ni china kan soi tong chi kha ngo khopui te hi eng angin nge mi hring chen na hi apun chak ngo mi hring lo chin hi eng ange ti hrian na te hi le tang chuan hriat har thina ma ro chu van sang atanga satellite thala ka tanga han ti chon ol sam takin na lo hriat thei to thina khami zir khan ram sang in ma son na tha an tho don tein ro man na an siam thina helai mun ni hi mang helai hi thalo helai hi omna na tha tian chi zong khan ti thina ni Mars orbiter Mars hel tu an ka chua ve to khania hi ta ken assemble an lo tara I'm post na sakop mai heng satellite ina information minon pe ka tang hian kanin biak ton na communication te thil tam tak awma heng hi o hei thalak sang eng lawa tanga nge ni satellite tanga an lak Hyderabad mun chen khatte hei achiang em mai ni wan sang atang hian khoi chin nge mi hring chen na khoi lai nge nge ni ramotha forest mo tiang chi te lui luan dan te tiang hi thil tam tak oma changkai takin mangme ka ni thangka ISRO ho doran ya hianin ICMR hawan oma Indian Council of Medical Research anni hi chu tian vat lu vek lo mai la hrisel na lampanga malatu angen ni zir chiang tu te ti mai la chiang mai o me na sang lo chuaka chu te hona chuan eng tin nge dam doi siam tur eng tin nge research te tur level malang tu ni ta hianin hai Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur IIT hi chu India rama zirna in thabik nia kan soi thin te khania an research ti te thil tam takoma kan lu chil vek lo menga tlemin athen hi chu a level a sang dewa han hriat thiam mai ke ngei po hian ka hriat thiam fum fe lo tam tak hi chu tiang vel chu ni ta po hian hei eng mon lo phau thu me engen ni nom ni bom mani o me hei abarap thak ve ngay lama hianin Thengtu branch lampang Madhya Pradesh Water Resource Department ania an model hinal mel khop mai in ve chin teng oh tui an ti kol vel dan ani ber om mange te ka tiani bopala hianin deal atam me thala kan huang hianin deal hi om treu me a Mizoram a chuan atlang pui thuin lui luang la ya tangin kan in tur tuite kan la an ni hi chuan deal an khuapa chu chuan bopal kho pui engzan nge ka chiang che lowa azat ve ai tam za som ai tam mani ome ei le in tur te an mo hi a chaw mani a that mel kho mai hi enge ni ke ni a chuan hemi lui luang lai te kan an mang thena thala lo ni kama ti khan kan boya tuê pam thelo te kan tia an ni hi chon deal an khuapa so ta tang chon tuyan na thina ni hi Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited nuclear power heta hian in nge kan soi theang turbine building ti te oma reactor hi nuclear reactor ania 700 megawatt ami heavy water reactor pressurized a model na utara ni India rama hianin ka soi so lo chuan kan electric mamo min petu tamber hi chu coal lungal thei hala tanga energy kan la khi nia chumi zo chon nuclear power hi ni nuclear power a chuan engemo element kami reaction na tanga energy ronin siam so ka energy tangka yan chantira ti soila ol samjong in chu ina kan lo man room tien nante tuilum nante kan man thin hi nia kan rama Mizoram kan hriat thin tamzo ki chu kan soeng khan lui luang lai tangbo kan siam ania lui luang lai hemi hydro tanga siami chu India rama hian atlember zong heng ke hriat tona coal lungal theile engenge ni tuna nuclear power hetiang manga energy siam chu kan mang na sa em mani chu Amity University ania engenge mo an institution in anti te ai lâu đã về trước mà capsule thì te I will take it later. Til an siam chong na sa ko mai he. He ta hianin Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science ISS Kolkata tioma hei po hi institution plun tak mai nia kan hriat tur poimo le tangkai ve tur nia rin han soidon taila he ta kan hu ki kan zu mga Sir C.V. Raman ni abula Nobel Prize pom ki India scientist singa chong kan chuan golber ta singa minia Raman effective mu chuak tu khania science zir ta chuan kan rianga he thil mu chua ni enge ni hriat reng nan hianin February ni som hi pariat hi National Science Day tin kan mang thin ngeng heya tuna Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science kan ti hi Deemed University ania hemi hmuna hian CV Raman khan a experiment kha atini Nobel Prize adon pa hial na khania institution poimo tak India history chon hriat reng to turani ta hianin MP power transmission ania Madhya Pradesh chunga electric current an pek kwaldan vel atakat demonstrate na ne atakat ni tela a model an lo demonstrate power line kaldante station siam dante ei am hunam khop mai tiang hian zilai no pangte le midang ten han ena an shilfia thilom zia chuanin hei hi etami hi electric ban lon na thua mania a thakho mai hei hi nei mi hi an zi huai mai ten an thanem khop mai a then hi chuan uluk tak กินอันซิระทิลฮีอันนี้เสียเทียมตุมินซิไลโนปังเตปอเทรนนี่จูหมูนมทีระกันเลี้ยงเวไม่พอฮีอันนี้มั่วซะตันเอามานี่อันตำจกเฮียโลเมแต่เฮียนี่สโตลตั้มตักเฮียมากันโซดเสียงแล้วว่ากันสวยเฟียเสียงแล้วบอกว่ามารอจูเหตุอย่าง Science Festival เรียนนะกันที่อโลกคลักไม่ยามีทิวตีทราอันเทคโนโลยีทราเตเลยอันจีนดานทราเตอจิรเทียเองฮีกันรำตานเองจังไกเวียงติจิรชวนะอันนี้เชียนในอินเทงต้นนาน knowledge exchange ชุดอย่างตานชวนจังไกไม่มันนี่อินเดียมา research ตีนั่นเรียนเตตีอย่างที่จูอันอมกิมถกหัดช่วยนั่นนี่